Hallo Kinder, welcome to my channel Lerne Deutsch. This is a 10-day German workshop. On day 5 we will be learning vegetables. Let's begin. Die Gemüse. Die Gemüse. Let's look at the first one. Which vegetable do you see here? Die Gurke. Die Gurke. The next one. Die Kartoffel. Die Kartoffel. Which vegetable do you see now? Die Tomate. Die Tomate. Die Zwiebel. Die Zwiebel. Which vegetable do you see here? Die Paprikaschote. Die Paprikaschote. The next one. Die Karotte. Die Karotte. Which vegetable is this? Der Kohl. Der Kohl. Which one is this? Der Blumenkohl. Der Blumenkohl. Der Pilz. Der Pilz. Der Broccoli. Der Broccoli. Which one do you see now? Der Knoblauch. Der Knoblauch. The next one. Der Salat. Der Salat. And the last one. Die Bohnen. Die Bohnen. Now let's revise all the vegetables together. All you have to do is repeat after me. Die Gurke. Die Kartoffel. Die Tomate. Die Zwiebel. Die Paprikaschote. Die Karotte. Der Kohl. Der Blumenkohl. Der Pilz. Der Broccoli. Der Knoblauch. Der Salat. Die Bohnen. Now let's do an activity. You have to name the vegetable. Let's have a look at it. Which vegetable do you see here? Die Karotte. Die Karotte. The next one. Can you guess the vegetable? Yes, the Zwiebel. This is the Zwiebel. Let's try another one. Can you guess this vegetable? Which one is this? Their kohl. Their kohl. Let's try another one. Which vegetable is this? Was ist das? What is this? Was ist das? The paprika shotter. The paprika shotter. The next one. Which one is this? Was ist das? Die Gurke. Die Gurke. Let's try another one now. Can you guess this? Was ist das? Die Bohnen. Die Bohnen. The next one. Was ist das? Do you remember this vegetable? Die Kartoffel. Die Kartoffel. The next one. Was ist das? Der Pilz. Der Pilz. Let's try another one now. Was ist das? Yes, the tomato. The tomato. The next one. Was ist das? Can you guess this vegetable? Der Blumenkohl. Der Blumenkohl. Danke. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Danke, tschüss!